What if I told you the next big leap in AI image generation is already here, and almost no one's using it yet? ByteDance just dropped a bombshell, Seedream 3.0, and insiders are calling it one of the most powerful image generators we've ever seen. Hang tight, because I'll show you how to use it completely free at the end. Now, this isn't just another model. Seedream delivers straight-up cinematic visuals, full 2K resolution, text so clean it looks printed, and textures so real you'll do a double take. On the artificial analysis leaderboard, it's outpacing everything. Only GPT-4o edges it out. So I put it to the test. And the results? Honestly, shocking. The realism is insane. Skin textures, lighting, even tiny details like sweat glistening on a forehead. But here's the twist. Some images still have that too perfect AI sheen. You know the one. Text rendering? Nearly flawless. Fonts, styles, layouts, Seedream gets it right every time. Though sometimes it gets a little too focused on the text and forgets about the rest of the scene. Now, if you're into cinematic art styles, this thing delivers. It follows prompts surprisingly well, though if you throw too much at it, it might drop a detail or two. The wild part? It's super open. It'll generate celebs, logos, even real-world products without censoring. Wanna try it? Go to the Dreamina platform, log in with your CapCut account, and boom, 225 free credits daily. That's around 50 images a day, totally free. So here's the real question. How long before this model starts replacing your favorite artists?